So today I'm gonna to present this next generation open source middleware for collaboration, content management, and the new social enterprise feature platform. So I will start with a presentation and the history of EXO platform, and I think it will summarize a little bit what has been presented yesterday and today about an open source project which became a startup and after a small multinational. So after that, we, as one of the advantages of the open source is its flexibility. That's what allowed us to make different partnerships. And the most important one is and the last one we did is with Red Hat JBoss community. Based on this technological partnership, we built the next generation portal platform on which we made several developments, and that's what I'm gonna present with the next generation middleware platform in the Java world. So, what is EXO platform? EXO platform is an open source software editor. It started the adventure EXO started in the university project in 2002 with the first implementation of a standard, which is the GSR 168 for the portlets and the portal technologies. So when the founder developed this software, he made it open source. And 3 months later, the Department of Defense of the US contacted him to develop their collaborative portal platform for the Joint Force Command. So this was the starting of our company, and the DoD asked us to create a company to provide them with support and service on the top of this open source platform. The business has been primarily focused in French and the French-speaking countries. The strategic customers are in the finance and telco, like Generali, Orange, France, Yellow Pages, Allianz Insurance, or large e-government like Belgium Ministry of Finance, State of Geneva, and our first customer, which is the Department of Defense in the USA. We have strategic partnership with Bull, Atos Origin, Capgemini, Red Hat, JBoss. And our revenue is the classical open source business model, 70% from subscription support, 20% from training, and 10% from professional services. So today EXO is 5 offices around the world. French headquarters, Vietnam and Ukraine for R&D, Tunisia for customer support, customer services, and the Middle East and African market, and recently in the US, just after that we raised $6 million in Series A financing from VC money. So it was 2 months ago. So we are focusing on application service platform around social collaboration, enterprise content management. But the most important thing, what made our success is our first implementation of standards. And since then, we only implement our products based on open standards. That's what makes our success and the platform for our customers. So the model is that EXO is customer built by the customers, our products. So, for example, the Belgian Ministry of Finance founded the collaboration services R&D for their 30,000 users. The State of Geneva founded the document management services R&D, and EXO will be the platform for e-administration for the State of Geneva. So the EXO platform suite is based on the portal, which is fully standard. On the top of this portal, we have enterprise content management, collaboration, knowledge management, social features. So all these modules are optional and could be plugged on this portal. We have been talking these 2 days about Arabic versions. So as you have seen, we have been always in collaborating with our customers. And for example, for the RTL framework and Arabic version, we did it for our first customer 3 years ago in Morocco. It's for the البوابة الوطنية للجماعات المحلية. It's a total portal supporting Arabic version and the RTL framework. So it's not only a translation work that we did, it's a fully development framework for the RTL support. So all our products, the portal, the content management, the collaboration, are fully RTLized and with the Arabic version. The translations could differ from one country to another. It's not the same translation maybe in Tunisia or Morocco or in the Gulf country. So these translations are made open. All the platform is open, and so the end user can adapt. The companies, for example, in Arabia, Saudi Arabia, can adapt the translation of the Arabic version that we did in Tunisia for their specific needs. So the partnership, it's an old story between GBoss and EXO. A first talk have been made in 2005. They have been interested on our portal, but this collaboration has stopped in 2005. It never started. And it came back last year because simply we hired their portal founder, Julien Viette, who joined our company, and he took the lead of the portal development of EXO portal. So in starting from this point, we started the negotiations. It's more about technical collaboration than for a business one. So, and we announced in June 2009 in the Gartner Portal Symposium the merge of the development of the EXO portal and the GBoss portal. So, and the GBoss portal and EXO portal now is Gatin portal, which is hosted in the gboss.org, and we merged also our community. So Gatin is now the new community project of GBoss and EXO, and is co-developed by our both teams. What is the aim of this portal is to be the next generation portal, mashup portal platform. What is the value and what's new in this portal is that combines the robustness of GBoss with the user interface design and flexibility provided by EXO. Underlying technology for both EXO and Red Hat Enterprise offerings. So GBoss Enterprise portal platform. So the enterprise packaging it will be the packaging on the top of the Gatin. So the Gatin community version had been released 1 month ago in March. And which technologies and components? The new open source portal Gatin, so it's the merge of GBoss and EXO. We took the portlet container of GBoss and the Java content repository of EXO. All these components are standard from the Java community. So the technologies, we have the gadgets and the portlets. The gadgets are mainly client technologies. The portlets are server-side technologies. So the aim is to provide this flexibility to the developers to develop gadgets or portlet or different services on this platform. And just to note that it's our gadget. It's based on the Open Social API the new Open Social API standard of Google. So the new type of middleware. Why are we saying that is the next generation